In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn on the HDR effect on your general settings on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to this three lines right here and go to the settings, and here you will find this general settings. Click on it, and now go to this here you will find this HDR effect. Click on it and it will be turned on easy and successfully. So that's how to turn on HDR effects on your account on the general settings. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.